A smooth sphere A of mass 2m moves with speed 3u on a smooth horizontal, collides directly with a smooth sphere of mass m. And yeah, find speed after the collision. So conservation of momentum. That would be okay. Let's try that again. Okay. 6mu minus mu equals 2mp plus mq. So that is 2p plus q equals 5u. That's our first equation. And then minus E equals V2 minus V1 over U2 minus U1. So that means Q minus P equals 4EU. If I subtract these, 2P minus P is 3P. Q minus Q is gone. And then that would be 5U minus 4EU. So that means P equals 5 minus 4E over 3 times U. That's the P. I can sub that in here to get the Q. Q equals 4EU plus P. That's 4EU plus 5 minus 4E over 3U. That would be, I can take the U out of the whole thing. So that's 12E plus 5 minus 4E over 3. So that means Q would be 8E plus 5 over 3 times U. Part 2, the impulse, that would be the change in momentum on B. So that would be mq minus m minus u. So mq plus mu. So that would be 8e plus 5 over 3 times mu plus mu. So if I multiply above and below by 3 here, that's 3mu plus 5mu, that's 8mu. So that's 8e plus 8 over 3 mu, I think. Or in other words, e plus 1 over 3 8mu. The loss in kinetic energy due to collision is that. Find the value of K. Alright. So let the kinetic energy at the beginning, a half m velocity squared plus a half m velocity squared. So that's nice. That's going to be 19 over 2 mu squared. Kinetic energy 2 after the collision. Yep. That's a half m p squared plus a half m q squared. Okay, so m p squared, and where's p? There's p, so that'll be 25 minus 40e plus 16e squared over 9 u squared plus a half m q squared, 64e squared plus 80e plus 25 over 9 u squared. So now if I just subtract them, oh, come on. There we go. Okay. KE1 minus KE2. KE1 minus KE2. Okay. So that's 19 over 2 mu squared minus... Now, I think what I'll do is I'll put a 2 here and a 2 here. So this could be all over 18. And there's an m in it as well. 2 times 9 is 18. So what I'm doing is 2 times 9 is the 18 there. The u squared and the u squared and the m I've taken out. So I can just put everything on the top here. It would be, actually I can do it directly. 50 plus 25 is 75. Minus 80 plus 80 is 0. And then 32 plus 64 is 96 e squared. So now I'll put this all over 18. So I'll have to multiply above and below by 9. So 19 times 9, that's 171. Minus 75 plus 96 e squared. Okay. That's great. That's great because that makes 96 plus 96 e squared over 18 mu squared. So that will be, need a bit more space, 16 over 3, 1 plus e squared mu squared. U squared 1 minus e squared. Oh, did I mess up my sign? It's been going so well. Oh, I forgot the minus on the brackets. Yeah. The minus went on everything here. Bump, bump, bump. So I've got the 1 minus e squared. I've got the mu squared. So therefore the k is 16 over 3. Pretty long part A of a question, but I think we got there in the end. So, oops, let's just highlight in green. That's the P. That's the Q. That's the loss. That's the impulse, I mean, and then that's the K. I think that's okay. Yeah, okay. I think that's all right. It's definitely reassuring that everything cancelled at the end and I could match it up to the form that they're given. Doesn't guarantee it's right, but it's encouraging. If you spot any mistakes, just let me know and I'll re-record.